Many people look at me today and sometimes do not even recognize that I'm actually not American.
Wow.
When I was almost 15, I came to visit my mom in Miami, where she had recently moved to pursue her residency, and we were surprised with the fact that if we left, maybe we wouldn't be able to come back to visit her. And so we stayed. I grew up in Haiti, and when my parents got divorced, my mom, who was already a doctor at the time, wanted to try life in the US. She moved to South Florida to attempt to study for her step exams in order to make it to residency and practice medicine in the US. Around Christmas time of the year that she moved, my brother and I were desperate to see her, and so we went to visit. The plan was to stay a couple of days during our school break and then go back home, but little did we know that this new place was going to be home. It was a huge culture shock, and the unexpected events left me really confused, really sad. I was missing my friends and family back home. I had to start high school in the middle of the school year, and so having to learn a new language, adapt to a new culture, meet new friends, and pretty much having to start everything from scratch was not easy. A lot of teenagers report a loss of confidence when moving from one country to another because these years are hard. And believe me, I have 3 kids now, and I'm not ready for them to be teenagers at all. Today, I am living the American dream, but it wasn't even supposed to happen because I wasn't even supposed to be here. It just happened. So if I'm a foreigner and had literally to start over from ground zero, you can too. It's all about being determined, saying to yourself that no matter what happens, you're not going to fail, because even when things do not turn out how you planned, there's beauty there and there's a lesson to be learned. Determination is transformative. It keeps you moving forward and it helps you overcome failure. What happens if you run into obstacles on the way to your goals? You push through and you blaze a new path. That's the thing about determination. It helps you keep going regardless of what's put in front of you. Tell me in the comments below if you have moved to another country and how this has affected you. I want to know it all. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to receive all the new content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.